Girls, today we will discuss about the ring activation and deactivation nature of the substituent in detail. That is, when alkyl group is placed as the substituent in benzene ring, what has happened and which makes the incoming group to attack ortho or para position. Here, the alkyl group nature is donating the electron, so it gives the electrons to the ring, so it stabilizes the ring, and thus the nucleophilicity is increases because of the plus A effect. And the positive charge, that is the carbocation, is placed near to the alkyl group, that is next to the alkyl group, means it will form a stable compound. So compare here, the carbocation is away from the alkyl group. Again here in this case also it is away from the alkyl group. So here in this case the structure 1 is most preferable to form the ortho product. And in the case of para attack, the carbocation formed in this structure, the alkyl group is next to the carbocation, so it will stabilizes the structure benzene ring, and thus it forms the most stable para product. And here compare these two, the alkyl group is away from the carbocation. And in meta position, look at the resonance structure or canonical structures. Here the alkyl group is away from the carbocation. Here also, that is the carbocation is not present next to the alkyl group. So here meta orientation is not possible when the substituent is alkyl group. And in the case of groups OH, that is hydroxyl, ether and amide and amine group, due to lone pair present on the particular atom, in the case of these two, oxygen will carry the lone pair and here nitrogen will carry the lone pair. So in such case, due to mesomeric effect, these groups also will be direct the incoming group to ortho and para positions. Okay, see hydroxyl group being as the ring activation group, so it stabilizes the ring due to the mesomeric effect. One comparison is there when benzene is treated with bromine, that is bromination reaction in benzene is less than the substituted benzene, that is phenol. When phenol is treated with bromine we will get maximum yield, that is bromobenzene. Compared to bromobenzene, bromophenol is maximum produced as the product, that is the percentage will be higher, that is the reaction is 10 power 11 times is greater. I mentioned here with pencil. Okay, here what is happening? Okay, when phenol is treated with bromine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride at 0 degree centigrade, we will get parabromophenol in maximum yield, that is 67 percentage of parabromophenol is obtained as the major one and orthobromophenol as the minor. And here in structure 3 and 5, structure 3, here again it is the substituent is next to the carbocation, here also the substituent is next to the carbocation, So ortho and para product is more favorable. And in the case of structure 4 and 6, due to resonance structure exhibited by the lone pair present on the oxygen, again the structure 4 and 6 will produce the stable compound. Here in the case ortho product, here in this case para product. And that is the lone pair, due to the lone pair electrons, it will further delocalize the positive charge and stabilize the ring. And one more thing, here hydroxyl group will be the ring activating group. Okay, so here you should more conscious with the structure 3 and 5. Here you should be mentioned that the carbocation next to the substituent. Okay, and in this case structure 4 and 6, because of the lone pair involved in resonance structure, one ortho product is possible and here para product is possible. In the case of metaposition, again the carbocation is away from the substituent, so meta product is not possible. Again the resonance structure and due to inductive resonance and inductive effect, it makes the ring active and the orientation takes place in ortho and meta position. The next one is again in this case the ortho and para position is being the orientation position. Here aniline also the example for halogenation reaction. When aniline is treated with some halogen, it will be less reactive compared to its acetyl derivative. I have shown here the acetyl product will be like this. One of the hydrogen is replaced by the acetyl group by removal of water. Okay. Next, electron withdrawing group. Here in this case, see again, if the electron withdrawing group is placed in the benzene ring, means what will happen? It will destabilize the ring because it will abstract the electron from the ring. So what will happen? It will make the ring as less nucleophilic and make it unstable. So though the substituent and carbocation are nearer, it will not make it as the product a stable one. That is because the nitro group as being the electron withdrawing group, it destabilizes the ring because it pulls the electron towards it. So the meta orientation is possible. Here, see here in this structure, because of destabilization, the meta orientation takes place. This is these two has the carbocation next to the substituent also. Because of nitro group's nature of electron withdrawing nature, it destabilizes the ring, so it is not direct the incoming group to orient in a ortho or para position. So only possible is meta substituent. Okay, so see here the line. There is no such equivalent structure arising from meta attack, and so meta attack is favor. That is, the carbocation is not next to the substituent in this case. Okay, the carbocation is not next to the substituent nitro group, so it will be the stable product. In this case, the nitro group is next to the substituent, so it will pull the electrons towards the nitro group, so less it will become ring will become less nucleophilic and destabilized. Okay, we will see the remaining thing in the next class.